siyang immigration.
Mabilis
So far, ang bilis lang niya, no? Like,
mabilis yan.
Parang, tapos wala namang question.
Wala pa tayong 10 minutes siguro.
Tinatakan lang.
Ano ba yung next step natin?
So, kumuha na tayo ng SIM card.
Nakakuha na tayo ng SIM card eh, no?
For $10 US.
Ilan days ba yan?
So, 240,000 Vietnamese. For 6 days na yun. Pero all data lang, walang call.
Pwede na.
Punta naman natin ang ating truck driver para hatid tayo sa Hoi An.
Hoi An na tayo. Okay, ilang oras ba yan?
45 minutes.
Okay. Okay, allowance ng driver. 30 minutes lang. Waiting time niyan. Okay. So, ganda na airport nila, no? Ganda na airport nila. Linis. Exit. Okay.
Camera here.
Ayan na. Halika na. Wow, ganda ah. Ganda ng airport. So, saan yung driver? Mamaya natin balikan. Ayan, banh mi. Okay. Ayan, banh mi. So, 170.
Isang banh mi, hati na tayo. Dalawa.
Hati na.
One is
Yes. How about some drink?
yes.
We have Coke with coffee, tooth, tea.
Coke. Regular. Cheers! First meal in Vietnam.
Mag-share kami dyan. Yan.
The yogurt.
Okay, dito kami sa Star Cafe.
It's 1976.
Milk?
Milk, but it's yogurt.
Yogurt.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Service.
Help kita? I help you. So 45 minutes nga.
30 minutes lang.
Oo, diba? Chillax.
Chillax Hotel. Yes. Ito rin. Hello home.
Maliit lang pero okay naman. Room tour.
It's good. Okay. Tignan natin.
Ayan. CR.
CR namin.
May shower and toilet.
Wow.
Vanity. Ay, sink. Tapos, free water. Tapos may maliit siyang ref. Tcharam! And what's a balcony? Wow! Maliit siyang balcony. Mag-chill. Okay naman, no?
Okay.
Tapos ito yung neighborhood niya. Parang residential siya. Medyo malayo siya sa attraction. First night in Hoi An.
Good night mga first time. Sleep muna kami ha kasi pagod na sa biyahe.
We are adventure tomorrow. Yay!
Good night.
Night!
First night in Hoi An. Sweet dreams. Good night.